Hello, good afternoon everyone. I have Oncidium. This is Oncidium goldiana, or commonly known as golden shower. This plant is very easy to maintain. I only grow here on the coconut husk. I filled with rice husk with short spike here. And I want to show you another Oncidium of mine. I want to compare with, and this is a hybrid Oncidium. This is called Oncidium volcano queen, and we can see here with nice root system. The first Oncidium goldiana, as I told before, that I grow outside, and for sure Oncidium goldiana or golden shower get full rain and full sun, and otherwise this one I place under the shade, under the fiberglass, and not getting the rain, and only get morning sunlight. And here I grow on the charcoal. I mix with a bit sphagnum moss. Can see the plant. Okay, and another Oncidium of mine, Oncidium goldiana, here with one spike also, but longer spike comparing to the first one. Sorry, I want to move there. Oh, my disarray garden. Here on the coconut has also, and I filled with charcoal and rice husk. Rice husk as carbonized rice husk, and we can see with longer spike Oncidium goldiana. This one also I place outside and get full sun and full rain. This is easy to maintain Oncidium goldiana. Not like Oncidium cherry baby or another hybrid. This one tough and hardy. Otherwise, on my Oncidium cherry baby or another Oncidium hybrid, I place under the shade, and a bit difficult to maintain comparing this one. This one is very easy to maintain. Lovely with yellow, bright yellow. One long spike here. Oncidium golden shower and goldiana. The flowers can last about 10 days. Lovely yellow. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.